everyone, I am Teacher Rave. Today I am going to talking about importance of children's rights. First of all, I introduce you all about the UNCRC. UNCRC is United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Children, and this is the logo of the organization. This organization is founded by Eglantine Jubb in 1928. This is the international agreement setting of the civil, political, economic, social and cultural rights of every child. There are some contents in this UNCRC. First, there is 54 articles in this UNCRC, and this is all about the children's right and also the government, how the government can work with the children to make this available for every child. And this is the 54 article of this convention on this UNCRC. Followed by, there is 2 protocols in this UNCRC. First is, the children under the age of 18 are not required to force for their armed force. They are prevent the child prostitution, child pornography and the sale of children into slavery. Now I am going to explain about the importance of UNCRC. First one is, it changed the way the government and the legislature view the children. That means they also view the children as they have their own life and also opinion. And the second is, they also can recognize the children exist and they have their rights of citizen. Third one is, it's recognized children with disabilities, because for now there are some difficulty for these disability children when it's come to their education. By this, the children can get their proper rights as same as other children. The fourth one is, it developed the quality of life for the children around the world. Is, children have the rights to go school. And the sixth is, it empowers international organization into holding nations accountable. Okay, it also prevent child from working in a young age, and they also mention that children have the right to choose their work if they are interested. The parents cannot force them to work as well. And the last one is, it authorizes children directly. Okay, now I'm choose one of the article from this UNCRC, which is about children with disabilities. And the purpose of this article is that's to explain the rights and also how to care the special needs children. Okay, number one is, the special needs children have their rights to having a full and decent life. This is because they can ensure their dignity, they can promote their self-reliance, and they also can enhance the participation in the community. The second one is, they encourage and ensure the extension and also the subject to available some resources and appropriate application to the child condition. The third one is, the state parties provide early and comprehensive information to the children with disabilities This is because they have the equal rights to family life. Number 4, state parties also ensure that the children is not separate with his or her own parents against their will. Okay, they also mentioned that if the child of the family are not willing to take care, then they have to prepare an alternative care for the disability children. So that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.